Dear traders, welcome. This is quite an important video. I was looking forward to show to you the MK Web version 17 with this new indicator. It does significantly facilitate certain trade entries. So I'm very excited to show you that. It has been the result of a long process to make things better. As a bit of background information, a very long time ago, many years ago, we used to have an indicator which was showing certain footsteps of the smart money directly via order book spikes. Unfortunately, we had lost that indicator. So this in a way is a bit like a remake of that, because we gonna see semi-smart money activity, okay? So we are able to see at which points we have semi-smart money buying and selling. And this is a very, very exceptional addition to our templates, okay? So in this video I will explain very, very briefly how it works, how it can be used. And then soon I'm gonna make a proper video which will be included in the video course for the ones of you who own it already. They will have access to it. You don't need to do anything. Where I will go more into detail and I will explain all the aspects of this particular indicator. But here I will at least give you an overview, a taste of what we're talking about. So that is really beautiful. And the best way is to start with real life examples, okay? Like here, Australian dollar. So what does it show us, okay? So a green bar above this middle line represents traders who are in profit. Now, as with other indicators, this first histogram shows you the current situation, and this second histogram also shows you the historic situation, okay? That means if you have a red bar up here, it means that those traders, those sellers are in profit. Once it disappears from the upper histogram, it can still be seen in the lower histogram, which shows you the historical situation. So as you can see, the semi-smart money went short and took profit, okay? So there are a few things you have to understand about this indicator. Okay, so, but let's continue step by step. Any bars below the middle line show you traders who are in loss. Surprise, surprise. A lot of dumb money longies are in loss here. So they can be seen with the green bars below the middle line. And the price went down against them, so their drawdown increased. Okay. Some of them closed and took the loss. And, some of them closed and took a bit of profit. So this is a difference between the current and the historic one, as usual. Each bar has a scale number, okay? So these were quite big drawdowns for the dumb money longies, okay? You see minus 27. So as usual, you can see that most of the traders are pushed into loss, into drawdown, and eventually leave the market cashing in these losses. What we are interested in particular, of course, is those traders who are actually in profit and also who manage to close in profit. These we call semi-smart money. They are not the smart money directly, the algos, but they are traders who did good trades. So within the dumb money tolerance, this is the important part. Okay? Now, there are of course certain patterns, yeah, like you're gonna have a big drawdown, and we're gonna look at in a second, of dumb money longies in a downtrend, and you get some smart traders who short it down, and they will appear above the middle line. So certain patterns will emerge in the indicator, which we will look at in a minute. But allow me to show you something quite mind-blowing. Okay, price came down, dumb money, semi-smart money long. What happens? Boom. The price goes up. Those semi-smart longies get into profit. You see? So now you are able to better understand certain pullbacks, certain moves, and you're going to see them in advance. So we have our leading indicators, which is a beautiful addition to our templates and super powerful. Now, look at this. All these longies getting into loss because the price goes down, down, down. As soon as some smarter traders enter long, the price went up. One important thing to consider is that the upper histogram, because it's current, can still change, okay? So that's why we have also the historic one. That means if for whatever reason the price continued to go down, even though smart traders will eventually get into drawdown, you will still be able to see them in the historic one, but you know, like they can, if they're very low on the scale, they're just like slightly in profit, that doesn't tell you much, okay? You want basically semi-smart traders who traded well and are in profit and actually have a growing profit. But of course these traders do exist, okay? So here we see semi-smart money goes long, goes long, goes long, goes long, the price goes up, up, up. Okay, it takes the MTS and actually extends because more semi-smart longies came in. How beautiful. Once they left the market or got reduced and some took profit, the price did a breather. And again, semi-smarties come in. That's a good word maybe to use. What happens? The price goes up. And of course, while these semi-smart traders are in profit, a lot of their money is in loss, which is represented also on the scale. Okay? So I wouldn't use that indicator only for trading, but it's a beautiful, beautiful addition. And if you just trade whenever you are on the side at least of some of the semi-smart money, you're going to be fine. Okay? So that is a massive, massive addition. And it's next level. Okay, to be honest. Let's continue with our examples. So what happens? Semi-smart money is starting to go long. Boom. They buy. Most of the dumb money is in loss. All the shorties, the price goes up. Okay? So when you zoom out and you look at trends, you will always have this kind of pattern. Okay, most of the dumb money is in loss, the longies, and the few smart traders who are in the dumb money tolerance, they are in profit. Now the opposite example in an uptrend, okay, most shorties are in loss, and the few semi-smarties who are long, they are in profit. You see what I'm saying? So this is big. I am sure that you're going to absolutely love that indicator. It's shown on the 1 hour chart. Okay, it's specific to that time frame. So it was added there already. You don't need to do anything. When you have the MK web, you see it now. Alright, so take into consideration what I've said. If you have the video course, then watch the complete video I will post there soon. If you don't have the video course, buy the video course. Now, it is time that prices are increased, and this is overdue. As you know, I've talked about it a lot, and recently I had a meeting with an expert, a consultant, and he said there's no other way. I have to increase prices. This is too cheap. For many, many years now, I've basically charged the absolute minimum, and I have exaggerated with that up to the point where, you know, the business is not running smoothly. That's not right. So after the 18th of December this year, prices will be increased. The MK web is going to be, instead of 60, it's going to be around £90 per month. If you were a client before the 18th of December, so this deadline is in 8 days, you will receive a full free month of the MK block if you bought the MK web. Okay? So that's a present for loyal clients. That means that if you consider subscribing to the MK web, I encourage you to do so before the 18th of December, because the first month will still be at the old prices, but after it's gonna all change to the higher price. But if you were a client before the 18th, send an email to support@sme-fx.com, put your username in the header and free MK block, and you will get the MK block month for free added to your account. Okay? So I think that's a fair deal. This is something which you're absolutely gonna love. I've tested it for quite some time now. It is very powerful. All right. Don't take trades if the semi-smart money bars are very low. Okay. But whenever you do your analysis, take this into account. It will help you a lot. Even here, look. There are certain patterns which will be explained in the video cost video. Like here, long is being in massive loss. And guess what? In this particular case, we had the squeeze dynamics plus the long is of course being in loss. So the market came off. Okay. Once some semi-smart traders started to buy the market, there was a pullback. These things are not random. So I'm very proud to show you that. My prediction is that you're gonna love that one, and I wish you all happy trading. I wish you a happy Christmas time and a great New Year. I hope you had a good trading year. I'm very happy to see that there are younger new traders also coming, posting their analysis in the forum. Appreciate that. As you know, I always try to now and then come by and to comment on this kind of analysis, so that people learn for free. Okay. And I will try to continue doing that, of course. Okay, so that's incredible. I want to also say a big thank you to everyone. I want to say a big thank you to all of you, no matter what kind of status you have, whether you are a beginner trader or an experienced trader. At the moment, we have everything in our team, and I'm very thankful that I'm able to do this project here. It wasn't always easy. And to be honest, even the last year, you saw, I did a complete change of the website, because there are certain standards which needed to be met. So I needed to reinvest a lot. And now the website is super clean, super fast, and not so bloomy as before. You see, for this kind of service, people want the information, they want it fast. So as you can see, I'm doing things in the right way, because that is the only way for me. I have redesigned, I've made everything faster. We have changed from PayPal to Stripe, which was a great move as well. Certain errors have been fixed, so don't worry about that neither. So as you can see, there's a lot going on the SME side. All you gotta do is focus on your trading, use the tools, and trade with discipline, okay? Most traders in Forex lose money, but this is your chance to be part of the smaller minority. Use it. Because of certain events that happened, I'm able to offer you this. Until today, until 2025 as well, so beautiful. All you gotta do is become the best trader, okay? Have fun with it. Always trade responsibly, and I wish you lots of love. Goodbye.